Hi everyone, welcome back to 7 Days channel. Today we're talking about my wedding invitations. At the beginning I got the first test version that was hand-cutted and I'm gonna show you my reaction. So first impression about the invitations, I love them. Probably you think that I'm psycho because in this series, wedding series, because one day I'm like, oh, everything is wrong, and the other day I'm super excited, but actually when the things are working, I am super excited. Now I'm gonna show you. I will tell you a little bit about the story of the wedding invitation. I have this problem that I will have so many people from all over Europe. So I really needed 3 languages. And so I came up with this idea of the windows that could be opened one by one. Okay, so the envelope is missing. It will be another type of green. My wedding will be everything in green and in white. Here we have Telemachos' name in Greek alphabet. Here we have my name in Italian alphabet. And here we have just the date, so it's okay for every language. Then in my wedding, I will have Italian people. I will have English speaking because we have a bunch of different people from all over Europe. And then we have the Greek part. So what I came up to, first of all, I'm going to show you also the back. It's nothing special, but I didn't want to leave it white. So we have, again, this green detail at the back as well. In the first square, we have the information about the church. Then we have the information about where we have the party, and that the dress code for women is white. I'm gonna open you all the languages, and here we go. This is my wedding invitation. I really wanted to make something by myself, to do a drawing of our family. Of course, if you draw, you can see that it's not the best drawing in the world, but for me it's so much important because I made it and everyone is inside. We are all together, like Argo that is always making mess, is taking my wedding dress and is eating it, and then we have Evie that is always like, she doesn't care and she's sleeping in my wedding dress. And then I have Benny that she really likes to cuddle. She's cuddling with my hair. And then I have Voice that again, he's a little bit like always making mess, always making things that he doesn't have to do, that is picking from Telemachos. I love this drawing. Like, maybe it's not, the quality of the drawing is not the best, but it's really us. And I'm dancing because I was doing rhythm gymnastics. So I'm dancing with Telemachos that is making a picture of me because this is our life. Like, he takes pictures of me for my blog. So I'm so excited, really. This is exactly how I wanted. Then it was time to make some changes from the first test idea, and I had to wait that all the wedding invitations were printed. Finally, after 2 weeks, I have the invitations! They are here in this bag. So I will have this amazing olive green color for the envelopes, and then I have the invitations. I'm gonna show them a little bit better later. I'm gonna show you what changed, and actually, yes, it's better in this way. So what changed basically has been removing the squares because it has to be cut with a machine, not by hand. So the chance that the line of the square and the line of the cut that weren't parallel was really, really high. And I really invite you to see the quality of the paper that is super shiny. So nice. Talking about the envelope, we decided to take an envelope that is opening from the shortest part, because if it was opening from the longest part, I don't know why, but I was thinking about bills and I really didn't want to associate my wedding to bills.
And now it was the time to write the names and addresses. And please be prepared because it's so hard to collect all the addresses of the guests.
I have to make a confession. My invitations are in 3 languages and I had to write into alphabets the names. And I am so stressed that I made mistakes. For sure I made mistakes. And then there is another problem. In Greece they have nicknames, but these nicknames are sort of public accepted. I don't know how to... I'm gonna make you an example so you can understand. If you have a friend that is Greek, his name is Nikos or Yorgos or Kostas or Yannis. These are the 4 most common names. Well, not even one of these is their real name. Because Nikos is Nikolaos, Yorgos is Georgios, Yannis is Ioannis, and Kostas is Konstantinos. So I really don't know what to put in the invitation. Let's hope that I did it correctly. I am currently writing and making the wedding invitation with a twine, and I'm dividing in different categories. The one that I can give without sending, the one that I will give without sending, even if they don't live here, the one that my mother can give because she's coming tomorrow. Because I don't know, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that Greek posts, they have a big problem. So I really hope that giving at least the one that are going to Italy to my mom will be a little bit faster. Let's hope. I am here cuddling in my blanket, and one by one my invitations are arriving, and I'm so happy because I really thought this invitation like in all the details, like in the drawing that I did, in the way that I had to open it, in the combination of the color, that the green will be my color, the white will be my color. So I am so happy that the people are saying me not only that thank you, the invitation arrived, like this is great invitation, what a nice idea, what a creative idea, what an inventive idea. Like, I'm so happy, guys. I had to wait a lot to do them, a lot to take them, but it definitely really worth it. Wow!
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked another piece of my DIY wedding. If you did, please give it a like, and subscribe is the red button down there. Thank you. Bye bye.